ScentAir is one of those brands that can make your home smell just like a hotel. So they sent me their bundle so you can make your own. It's 6 scents that you can choose from and make your own. I had them make me a surprise bundle so I can just smell them here on camera with you guys first. These bundles are so you can try them, the smells, before you actually buy your full size. Like this is the full size that I chose, and we will try them out or smell them first. We got hot apple pie. Yep, hot apple pie smells just like Thanksgiving with my family. Then we got Amalfi Coast. Amalfi Coast smells just like when I'm on vacation in Cancun. I mean, it smells like a more tropical place, but I've never been out of the Americas. Then we got Desert Blonde Amber. Ooh, yep. This smells like a rental that I stayed in Palm Springs during the music festival, if you know what I mean. They had a candle that I did not find anywhere in stores or online, and I bet you it's from ScentAir. A Walk in the Woods. This is gonna smell good. Yep. I'm not gonna say it's pine trees, redwoods, and anything like that. It smells like a citrusy, like walking through like a patch of like citrus trees with like some wood, like some other type of trees in there. Then we got smoked cherry and palo santo. This would be one of my favorites. Smells like Saharan night, but I've never been to Sahara or the Saharan. So I would say it smells just like a desert, basically an actual desert night. Uh, but it smells amazing. Then we got Cobalt. Cobalt, I would definitely put in my house aside from my main pod, and smoked cherry with Palo Santo would be my third. Well, I would actually put all of them. Then we got my main one that I chose. We got Golden Bamboo. I haven't opened it yet, but this smells freaking amazing, like citrusy bamboo forest. Then we got our ScentAir Whisper Home. This is where this fuel guy goes in, whichever one you choose. And this guy is controlled by Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and it has a Google app and an Apple app that you can control it with as well. But yeah, these scent pods are the ScentAir fragrances are phthalate free. They are internationally certified safe. They're cruelty free and they're EcoVadis certified sustainable. So definitely go to ScentAir and get your 6-pack buildable bundle so you could try them out, and then make sure you buy your whole set. So your home office, wherever you go, or basically wherever you want it to smell good, like your home office, your RV, anywhere, or as a gift. Make sure you check them out. Bye.